So this problem is asking you to think about a suspension bridge as being shaped like a parabola. So if we do what the instructions say and place the origin here, it's saying imagine there's a coordinate system where this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, and this point here would be 0, 0. So do you see that then this point here would be 4800, 0. So you've gone 4800 to the right on the x-axis, but up none. And at the top of this support tower, you've gone 0 in the x direction, but you've gone up 800 feet. Oh, these numbers are really tiny, so if that's a 600, you'll have to correct me. So that's a point that you know is on the parabola, 0, 800. And then if you come over to this point right here, do you see that you're at 4800, 800? So that's another point that's on your parabola. So that's 2 of your 3 ordered pairs. So then the third one's going to be this one right here, which is the vertex, which is the lowest point, which has to come in the center. So remember, we talked today about the symmetry of parabolas, and so you don't have to assume, you can know that the point in the center between 2 equally high spots on a parabola is going to be where the vertex is. So you can see that the vertex is going to be 40 feet up, and it's at 2400 feet to the right. So the vertex is going to be at the point 2400, 40. So those are the 3 data points that you can put into your regression tool to find the equation of the parabola. And then you can find the length of the 7 hanging cables by knowing that they're equally spaced. And so you know there's space 1, space 2, space 3, space 4, space 5, space 6, space 7, space 8 spaces that add up to 2400 feet. So if you have 2400 feet equaling 8 spaces, then you can figure out how wide each space is. So then you'd know the coordinate of this point is where x equals whatever number you figure out. So then you can find the y coordinate, just like we were doing today. Once you have your equation of your parabola, ax squared plus bx plus c, and you'll know your a, b, and c. And then you'll plug in your x values to find out how high the cable is at that x value. So if you still have questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them.